Okay, hello again, guys. What is up? This is how we left off the app in the last section. So we have these styles here. The note, it's looking pretty good. The calendar's here now. It's styled well. And so in this section, we're going to be making the modal, or this. So this pop-up here, we're going to be creating this blacked out background. Although we're not going to be animating it in this section, we're just going to be building what this will look like. So it's also not going to be usable, like you're not going to be able to click on different icons and change the colors yet. It's just going to be setting up what this looks like. So there's a bit of work to go there. And also something like this, the add a note to the calendar, we're going to be building this one as well. One thing I want to do is clean up this CSS. So let's go here, new folder, CSS, new file, main.css. And another new file called current day.css. And also calendar.css. Okay, so let's take all this, copy it, comment, save, put it right here. Okay, so now let's look at it. Expect it to break. Yep. Well, this actually isn't completely broken. Still looks like something. But there's a bunch of styles that are missing here because these are all commented out and I'm not linking to them. So go over here. I actually think this icon should be added above the title. It doesn't really matter, but I want the links to come after. So link. So it's going to CSS main, and don't put that there. Okay, so now let's see if this makes it look a little bit better. Okay, so that's working. So the main CSS is being linked to the current day. Let's copy, comment, and save. Put it in here. Come back. Put another link. And this one will be current day. And get rid of this. That's just because if you put that, like I'll show you in a second. So this is working. If you do this, it should break it. Yeah, the reason it's doing that is because it's looking not from where you are. Where we are right now is, if you look up here, so there's all these users, the desktop calendar app, that's where we are. It'd be looking from here, from the app that it's in. And then it would be saying, okay, so it'd be right here in this folder. And then from here, it would be saying, okay, let's go into CSS. So everything that comes after this, it would kind of work. But this makes it not start at the calendar app. It makes it start all the way down here at the beginning. So if you just wanted to start from where you're at, don't put that little thing right here. Okay, and another one, the calendars. The calendar styles. I forgot to save. Here too. So let's link to this. Link. Okay, let's make sure this works. Yep. Okay. Now we just ditch all this stuff. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, now here we can put a dialog tag. And ID of modal. And set it to be closed. Actually, no. Set it to be open because we're going to be styling it right now. So let's just keep it open. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's this little box. Okay, let's style that. That's going to be a main style actually. So right here under the table, dialog, and give it a height of 100% and a width of 100% as well. Okay, and border none. I wonder why I did that. It started me on a new line, but it was indented. Padding 0, you don't want that. So background color, this is going to be an RGBA. That's because I want it to be a transparent color. Okay, so it's going to be 29, 29, 29, and it's 0.85 for the alpha. Then position fixed. See, it did that again. Why? Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. This background here is looking how it should be. The only difference is we need to create the pop-ups. And that takes a little bit of work. Actually, there's a lot going on, especially for the color one. There's all these colors and they all need to have their own color. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.